tired loose ends to make amends. As I said it all, I started to fall in the silence. Deafened, head spinning round, no time to sit down. Just wanted to run and run and run. Be careful, they say, don't wish life away. Now I'm one day, I can't believe how I've been wasting my time. In 24 hours there'll be laying flowers on my line. It's over tonight, and I'm missing. No, I need your blessing and your promise to live free. Please do it for me. Is there a heaven or hell, and will I come back? Who can tell? Now I can see what matters to me. It's as clear as crystal. The places I've been, the people I've seen, plans that I made start to fade. The sun setting gold, thought I would grow old.